What is going on, guys? Welcome to another WordPress theme tutorial. Post types are categorizations of content. Unlike the template file, whose job it is to display the contents of a web page in a particular way, a post type merely categorizes what type of content the post holds. A post in WordPress refers to any category of content at all. It refers to a page, a revision, an attachment, and a navigation menu, and a post, of course. Those are WordPress's default post types. WordPress stores all of these content types in the same place, the WP Post database table. The only thing that distinguishes their post type is a column called, you guessed it, post type. Many template files display the post type post. Posts are used in blogs. They are displayed in reverse sequential order by time, with the newest post first. They have a date and a timestamp, may have the default taxonomies of categories and tags applied, and are used for creating feeds. The template files that display the post type are single.php and single-post.php, category.php in all its iterations, tag.php in all its iterations, taxonomy.php in all its iterations, archive.php in all its iterations, author.php in all its iterations, date.php in all its iterations, search.php, home.php, and finally, index.php. Additionally, you can display posts in the front-page PHP template as well. Pages are static post types. Outside of the normal blog stream or feed, their features are non-time dependent and without a timestamp, are not organized using the categories and or tag taxonomies, can have page templates applied to them, can be organized in hierarchical structure. Pages can be parents of children or other pages. The template files that display the page post are page.php in all its iterations, custom.php in all its iterations, frontpage.php, search.php, and index.php. Attachments are commonly used to display images or media and content, and may be used to link relevant files. Their features are: they contain information such as a name or description about the files uploaded through the media upload system. For images, this includes metadata about the information that is stored in the WP Post meta table, including size, thumbnails, location, etc. The template files that display the attachment post types are MIME type.php, attachment.php, singleattachment.php, single.php, and index.php. In addition to default post types, you can also create custom post types. It is not recommended that you place this functionality in your theme though. This type of functionality should be placed or created in a plugin. That way you can ensure the portability of your user's content and that the theme is changed. That when the theme is changed, the content stored in the custom post types won't disappear. You can learn more about how to create custom post types in the WordPress Plugin Developer Handbook. While you generally won't develop custom post types in your theme, you may want to code ways to display custom post types that are created by a plugin. The following templates can display custom post types. Using custom post types, you can create your own post type. Single dash and then your post type name.php, archive dash, then your post name or type.php, search.php, and index.php. In the next video, we'll be talking about how to organize theme files, so stay tuned.